If you memorize these 60 US road signs, passing the DMV driving test is 99.9% guaranteed. Okay, let's get started. What road sign is this? Yes, it is the no U-turn sign. Guess this traffic sign? Correct, it is the do not enter sign. Identify this road sign. Exactly, it is the yield sign. What traffic sign is this? Yes, it is the roundabout sign. Which road sign is this? Correct, it is the traffic light ahead sign. Name this traffic sign. Exactly, it is the no stopping sign. What is this traffic sign? Yes, it is the no parking sign. Identify this traffic sign. Correct, it is the two-way traffic sign. What road sign is this? Yes, it is the curve, right, sign. Identify this traffic sign. Correct, it is the keep left sign. Name this road sign. Exactly, it is the straight through only sign. What traffic sign is this? Yes, it is the traffic merging from right sign. Which road sign is this? Correct, it is the road narrow sign. Identify this traffic sign. Exactly, it is the weight limit sign. What road sign is this? Yes, it is the tow-away zone sign. Which traffic sign is this? Correct, it is the parking area sign. Name this road sign. Exactly, it is the pedestrian crossing sign. Identify this traffic sign. Yes, it is the school zone sign. What road sign is shown here? Correct, it is the stop sign ahead sign. Which traffic sign is this? Exactly, it is the winding road sign. What road sign is this? Nicely done, it is the slippery when wet ahead sign. Which traffic sign is this? Exactly, it is the falling rocks warning sign. Identify this road sign. Well spotted, it is the side road, left, sign. What traffic sign is this? Correct, it is the Y intersection sign. Guess this road sign? Excellent, it is the railroad crossing, crossbuck. Name this traffic sign. Nicely done, it is the divided highway end sign. What road sign is this? Exactly, it is the deer crossing sign. Identify this traffic sign. Well spotted, it is the crosswind sign. What is this traffic sign? Yes, it is the gasoline service sign. What road sign is this? Correct, it is the food service sign. Name this traffic sign. Excellent, it is the hospital sign. Identify this road sign. Nicely done, it is the lodging sign. What traffic sign is this? Exactly, it is the workers ahead sign. Identify this road sign. Well spotted, it is the no bicycle sign. Which road sign is this? Correct, it is the school speed limit ahead sign. Name this traffic sign. Excellent, it is the school bus stop ahead sign. What road sign is this? Nicely done, it is the parking fee station sign. Which traffic sign is this? Exactly, it is the handicapped accessible sign. Identify this road sign. Well spotted, it is the truck rollover warning sign. What traffic sign is this? Correct, it is the hill, bike, sign. Name this road sign. Excellent, it is the divided highway crossing sign. Name this traffic sign. Nicely done, it is the double side road sign. What traffic sign is this? Exactly, it is the do not drive on tracks sign. Which road sign is this? Well spotted, it is the bear crossing sign. Identify this traffic sign. Correct, it is the exit speed sign. What road sign is this? Excellent, it is the steep grade hill sign. Name this traffic sign. Nicely done, it is the bicycle lane end sign. Identify this traffic sign. Exactly, it is the bicycles merging sign. What road sign is this? Well spotted, it is the equestrian sign. Identify this traffic sign. Correct, it is the no pedestrians crossing sign. Identify this road sign. Excellent, it is the bicycle parking area directional sign. What traffic sign is this? Exactly, it is the wrong way sign. Which road sign is this? Nicely done, it is the one-way, left sign. Identify this traffic sign. Yes, it is keep right of obstacle sign. Name this road sign. Correct, it is the merge, left, sign. What traffic sign is this? Excellent, it is the narrow bridge sign. Which road sign is this? Nicely done, it is the added left lane sign. Identify this traffic sign. Exactly, it is the reverse curve, right, sign. What road sign is this? Well spotted, it is the bicycle route sign. Guess this last traffic sign? Correct, it is the bus station sign. Well done making it to the end of today's video. Subscribe to this channel to get the latest road sign videos weekly. Don't stop here, tap on the video on your screen to keep learning. See you in the next video.